Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear viewers, welcome to my channel Farooq's English. In this channel, I regularly practice my spoken English, and I am noticing that I am developing my spoken English practice day by day. Okay, let's go into our main point. Never forget who was with you when you had nothing. Never forget who was with you when you had nothing. Actually, in our life, it comes a time when we feel alone, when we have nothing. We are totally broke. That time, some people come to us and they give us company, they help us a lot. As a result, we easily can overcome our bad time. But whenever we get rich, that time we always forget our bad times and forget our well-wishers. As a result, whenever we again get down, that time the person who was with me at the first time, he never come to me, he never come to us, they never come to us, because they had already known that we are totally self-centered, and in a short sentence we can say we are selfish. We do not think for other people, we only think about ourselves. That is said in my this video few minutes ago. We are self-centered. By the way, people always with us whenever we pass a good time, but when bad times come to us, some people leave us because they know that I am now broke. I have no money and I am helpless. I need help from other people. As a result, they can easily realize that to me there is nothing to left that is worthy for them, that will help them. So they easily find different kinds of excuse to leave me, and they truly leave us. But there are some people who are always with us in our good time, in our bad time. They don't care about our good or bad times. They care always about us. They think about us and they love us. They care us. They always try to help us and they always make us happy. They want us to see happy person in this cruel world. But in our cruel world, in our economical world, there are some people who always get such type of person helps from such type of person's help, different kind of help, but they don't care about them. They think, oh, that was a certain period of my life. I get help because it demands the time. They think economically, but not think in their good heart, kind heart. They do not use their conscience. Our conscience become stone when we get a lot of wealth, when we become influential person, when we become wealthy person. There our heart, at that time our heart and at that time our soul become stone. As a result, we don't care about our well-wishers who were in our bad time, who helped us a lot. So That is why I used the sentence at the beginning of this video, and the main theme of this video: never forget who was with you when you had nothing. Again, never forget the person who was with you when you had nothing. It would be very good for you if you follow this sentence and make it real in your life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.